Hi guys, so welcome to the last Halloween makeup tutorial, and this one is coming really late because I had a lot of stuff to do, but I wanted to show you what I was at my Halloween party. So this is the makeup tutorial for how I created my Halloween mask for this year.
First off, as always, you're going to apply a primer. Next, I'm going to apply my makeup foundation from Revlon, and the reason why I'm putting makeup first and then I'm doing the eyeshadows and everything is because I'm going to paint all over my face, so I have to have the makeup underneath. I really do like this foundation. The only problem I have with it is that I have to use a small brush to get the makeup out, so that's not really handy for me. Now I'm just applying a little bit of the bronzer on my cheeks. Now I'm taking gold eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid, and I'm also going to apply it on one part of my forehead, and I'm going to go down around my cheeks and on my neck. And now I'm using the dark brown and I'm creating a V shape, and I'm blending it out to make the eyes look more intense. So now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I'm going to create leopard spots around my eyes, also on my forehead, and I'm going to work my way down around my cheeks, on my neck, and go on my chest also. And now I'm creating cat eyes with my eyeliner. Using the black eye pencil on my waterlines. Let's not forget the mascara, and if you want you can add eyelashes. I don't really use them that much, so it's up to you. If you want to use eyelashes, you can. Now I'm taking a lip pencil from Miss Sporty, and it's the color Red Wine, and I'm going to contour my lips. And next I'm going to use a lip stain from New York Cosmetics, and I don't know which color it is, but it's a really nice pink color, and just blending it also in the corners with the darker color from Miss Sporty. It's going to make a really nice effect, and it's going to make your lips pop up more, and it's going to make them look more bigger. And we're finished! So as you can see, it's a really easy way to create a cat makeup.
So this is all when it comes to the makeup. The ears and the tail were created from a blanket, and I sewed them together because here in Slovakia it's really hard to find a really nice outfit. All in all, Halloween outfits, it's really hard to find here, so it's better to get creative and make one yourself. So this was a blanket, and now it's a tail and ears. And when it comes to the teeth, those were fake nails. and I stick them with paste glue that elder use for their teeth prostate, or how do you call it, and it sticks really nicely, and there are a lot of tutorials that will show you how to create those nails. It's really easy. You just create the shape and stick it on your teeth, and it helps pretty nicely. So all in all, it was a great Halloween. I was partying with my friends. Some of them had the zombie makeup on, which was really hilarious because at first they were like, it's sticky and disgusting, but during the night they were like not even noticing it. Either they were too drunk or having too much fun, or they didn't really notice it later on. I know Halloween was weeks ago, but thank you so much for watching. I had really a lot of work to do, but I'm going to keep on making more videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, or if you want to share with your friends. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye for now!